So in conclusion, history is good, ignorance is bad. Therefore, read a book. Miss Ruby Rose! So glad you could join us. Unfortunately, class is nearly over.
Oh, well, you see, a crazy thing happened before.
So in conclusion...
Hello, Guthrie!
Ah! Welcome to Beacon! Hold on, you have a little something on your lip.
No, wait!
In conclusion... I'll be right back. There's something that requires my attention immediately outside.
Yes, I made it. Oobleck is no match for my cutting and stuff.
Detention!
I made it! Ah! Nobody can remove me from this seat! Nobody! Wait, where is everyone?
Ruby. Just in time for Saturday detention.